Picture yourself in the 2020 Ford Expedition Max. Here's an awe-inspiring Ford Expedition Max, the premium full-size SUV with an extended wheelbase and enhanced cargo capacity. It packs a host of luxurious amenities plus increased head and legroom, even in the third row. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Relax and soak up the calm of a luxuriously spacious passenger oasis when you journey in the Expedition Max. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.